So you want to make real snow at home. Real snow, just like the ski resorts do. Maybe you want to make snow for the kids to play in. Cover a ski or sledding hill on your property. Build a snowboard park. Or just decorate the house for the holidays. There's so many fun reasons to make real snow at home. Before you order a Snow at Home snowmaker or build one from our free DIY plans, it's important to understand the weather requirements for making real snow. The outdoor temperature needs to be below freezing. Ideally, 27 degrees Fahrenheit or -3 degrees Celsius and below is needed for snowmaking. Snow at Home makes it easy to know when it's the best time to make snow. We have a free snowmaking wet bulb chart that you could print out. Simply line up your current air temperature in the vertical left column with your current humidity in the horizontal column across the top. This gives you your approximate wet bulb temperature and puts you into one of three categories. Good snowmaking, which is dry snow that piles up fast. Poor snow quality, which is wet snow that stays low, wet, and lumpy. Or no snowmaking. Well, that's self-explanatory. To make it real easy, Snow at Home offers an online snowmaking weather tool that can tell you if you can make snow right now using your zip code. It also gives you a 5-day snowmaking forecast as well as how many days you could have made snow last year. So you checked if it's cold enough to make snow and you're excited. We definitely get it. So how does it work? Watch the next video in this series to learn how easy it is to set up a Snow at Home system.